AR 655 motor vehicle, um, motor vehicle, Chapter 6 mechanical ground support equipment. And this is for licensing and stuff for Army vehicles. Chapter 6 Mechanical Ground Support 561. All military civilian personnel, include those personnel on valid state driver's license, must have a standard Form 46 demonstrating their proficiency in order to operate the following mechanical or ground support equipment. 1. Electrical power generator equipment of 5 kilowatts or above, electrical motor driven, diesel engine driven, gasoline engine driven, or gas turbine driven seats. 2. Gas generating equipment, all sizes, capacity, such as oxygen, nitrogen, and acetylene. 3. Water purification sets, all sizes and capabilities. Air compressors, all pressures not included in installed automatically controlled units. Materials, oil handling equipment, all sizes, capacity. Forklift trucks, warehouse tractors, cranes, straddle trucks, flightline tugs. 6. Railroad equipment, all sizes and capacity. Locomotives and locomotive cranes and motor cars. Bridging equipment, all bridging erection boats and mobile assault float bridge, ferry transportation, outboard motors. 8. Amphibious equipment, all sizes, capacity, LARC-5, 15, 60, and LACV 30. The construction type of equipment, off-road equipment, and all sizes of capacity, including but not limited to tractors, wheeled or track cranes, wheeled and tracked and front loaders, motorized, self-propelled scrapers, rollers, sweepers, earth augers, saw machines, chainsaws, snow plow, rotary ditching machines, rock crushing screen plants, asphalt batch plants, concrete mixers plants, asphalt, concrete spreaders, waders, bituminous distributors, hot oil heaters, and hydraulic or mechanical vibrating tampers. 10. Heating or cooling equipment in all sizes and capacities, such as air conditioning, refrigeration units powered by the liquid fuel engine, space and duct type of heaters using liquid fuel and steaming cleaning equipment. 11. Pumping equipment. All pumps of 50-gallon per minute or and above powered by liquid fuel engines. Printing presses, paper cutters, all makes models excluding manually operated paper cutters. 13. Mine detection equipment, truck mounted, all makes and models. 14. Utility equipment of the power plant used in the medical unit, self-contained, transportational, hospital elements, all makes and models. 15. Miscellaneous equipment. Any equipment determined by the local commander or higher authority to warrant licensing, such as a powered lawnmower, agricultural machine, food preparation equipment, field ranges, immersion heaters, and laundry equipment, detection sets, or mine portable AN and PRS or AN PSS 11. Applications of these procedures will begin with the selection person to license. The application of these procedures will begin with the selection of persons to be licensed. The tests prescribed herein will be given through the Army. Successful completion of prescribed tests will not automatically qualify a person for retention as an Army vehicle or equipment operator if for medical or disciplinary or other reasons, including prior accident record, attitude for driving, use of intoxic pathogenical drugs. He or she appears to be incapable of continuing as a safe and competent driver or equipment operator. The supervisor may revoke an operator's SF Standard Form 46 based on the recommendations of safety and medical personnel. Training and education programs distinguish, establish, reinforce positive attitudes toward driving and their requirements. Motor vehicles licensing, applying operator personnel. Minimum training requirements are included in Chapter 4 for the vehicles. Chapter 6, other equipment of the major Army commanders may establish more stringent training programs. 6A, 6.2. Procedures. Equipment operator testing, licensing procedures, self-propelled equipment, and will conform with regulation. Additional procedures with material handling equipment are contained in the Technical Bulletin 602, motor battery driving assessment 1 and 2, physical evaluation measures, operator performance testing will be used. Equipment operator testing and license procedures. Non-self-propelled equipment will conform to these requirements contained in Technical Bulletin 601 and 602. Equipment operators will be required to successfully complete a written evaluation test substantially substaining the technical knowledge of the equipment for which the license is desired. Application will be required to satisfactorily demonstrate the proficiency and operation of each of these pieces of equipment for which they are to be licensed. Qualification of non-self-propelled equipment will be entered in Section 1 of DA Form 348. The references are AR 5529 military convoy operations, military traffic supervision, accidents, reports and records is AR 385 40, 385 55, prevention of motor vehicle accident, AR 611 5, Army personnel selection classification, AR 672 74, Army accident prevention awards, DA PAM 611 20. Administrating the scoring of Army motor vehicle driver class battery, DA PAM 61125, testing procedure for licensed drivers of Army vehicles, DA PAM 735 A 750, Army Management Technical System, Field Manual 2170, driver selection, training, supervision, track combat vehicles, Field Manual 21305, manual wheeled vehicle driver, Field Manual 21306, manual track vehicle driver, 3AR. The Field Manual 5530, Army Motor Transportation Units Operations Technical Bulletin 601, procedure selection, testing, qualification of operators of equipment, system including watercraft, aircraft management, used transportation, aviation material, technical bulletin 600-2, procedures selecting, testing, qualification of operators, construction equipment, material handling equipment, Army vehicle launch brigade, manual supported U.S. Army tank automotive material readiness command. Section 2, related publications, AR 340-15, prepared correspondence, AR 600, 200, enlisted personnel management, AR 612, 201, processing procedure, Army reception stations and training centers, controlling distribution of trainees, AR 704, logistic assistance, AR 735-1, accounting with lost, damage, and destroyed property. AR 750-10, modification material, issuing safety using message and commercial vehicle recall campaign directives. DA PAM 3351-4, U.S. Army Formal Schools Catalog. DA PAM 611-16, Handbook of U.S. Army Personal Tests. Sections prescribed, DA Equipment Operator Qualification Records, U.S. Government Vehicle Operator Identification Card, Equipment Operator Qualification Card except for aircraft, and continuation sheet. Section reference form, DA Form 2-1, Enlisted Qualification Personnel, DA Form 201, Military Personnel Records, Jackets, SF United States, SF-78, United States Civil Service Commission Certificate of Medical Examination, SF-88, Report of Medical Examination, SF-93, Report of Medical History.